What is an off-label procedure? It sounds kind of scary. Like, the surgery they want to do is off-label. What does that mean? It doesn't really mean a lot. It really has to do with how devices are approved by the FDA. When we run a clinical trial, and remember, every implant has to run a clinical trial through the FDA, and we examine each patient, follow them for years for a device to get approved. If the device is for, let's say, 2 cervical discs in your neck, and that's how the approval is, that is on label. If the device needs to be used at 3 levels, that would be off label. It was never studied at 3 levels. And this is what insurance companies do to deny you the surgery you need. Because the approval might be for 1 or 2 discs in the neck, and you might need 3 or 4. And they'll deny it because it's off-label. But that's all off-label means. The FDA states that they do not regulate the physician if he chooses to use a device in an off-label manner. Yesterday, I did a 4-level cervical artificial disc replacement. Yes, it's off-label, but it certainly is safe, and it can be done off-label as an off-label procedure. That does not mean we're not allowed to do it. It just means your insurance company doesn't want to pay for it, so they say it's off-label, and they call it unstudied, or it hasn't been researched, and we don't know if it works, and it's not qualified. You know, they don't want to pay. They want your premium, but they don't want to pay for the surgeries that you need.